Vernell Payton is suing his former friend, Jalecia Smith, for vandalizing his home and car.
Mr. Payton, it is your claim that the defendant, who was someone who you dated,
We've been friends. We haven't dated, but we've been friends.
never anything more than friends,
No, not considered more. We've just been friends.
it is your claim that she vandalized your property.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to be compensated. And Ms. Smith says that she did not. I'm going to ask you because I'm not exactly sure I'm getting the correct information from the plaintiff. Were you and Mr. Payton just friends, or did you date?
If you consider fooling around, I don't know. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, we were friends.
There was an evening that you came over to his house, and he didn't answer the door. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Do you remember when that was, Miss Smith?
August 29th, I believe.
Of this year? At what time?
Maybe 8 or 9.
Did you have an appointment to see each other?
No.
Was there any reason that you went over there?
I talked to him earlier that day, and he told me he was sick, and I wanted to help him by buying some soup and some medicine for him.
In what context did he tell you he was sick?
That he wasn't feeling well, that he was...
Were you supposed to go someplace?
Oh, no. I took it upon myself to go to the store.
Were you supposed to go someplace that he said to you, I can't go, I'm sick?
No, he said that he didn't want any visitors, he didn't feel well.
Okay. He said, don't come over, I don't feel well.
Right.
So what did you do?
Well,
Here.
I'm sorry. I didn't think nothing of it. I had went to the store, and that's when I seen him at the store. When I seen him at the grocery store, he looked pretty fine to me.
About what time?
Give or take 8, 9 between the same time I talked to him on the phone. Well, like right after.
Well, you said you went to his house between 8 and 9. What
I'm
time did
sorry.
you see him in the grocery store?
Well, no, when I seen him at the grocery store, it was almost 10 then.
But you went to his house between 8 and 9.
Between 8 and 9. The store isn't that far from where I live, where he
Well,
lived.
what happened when you went to his house between 8 and 9? Tell me what happened when you went to his house.
He didn't answer the door, so I just walked away.
Does he have a car? Mm-hmm. Yes.
Yes.
Was his car there?
His car was there.
So that if you knew his car was there, you knew he was there. And it was early in the evening. It was between 8 and 9.
Yes.
So you just left.
I just left.
And where did you go?
I went back home.
When did you go to the store?
I went to the store around, maybe it was almost 10.
Later the same night.
The same night.
So you went to the store later the same night at 10 p.m. and you saw him at the store.
I seen him at the store.
What were you going to the store for?
I was going to the store to get me some groceries.
I thought you were going over to his house because...
I was going to his-
Shh. I thought you were going to his house between 8 and 9 because he told you that he wasn't feeling well and he didn't want any visitors, and you said I was going to bring him some soup. So why wouldn't you have gone to the grocery store before you went to his house with the soup?
Well, I don't really have an answer for that. I just have, all I know is that even though he said not to come, I was still going to come anyway.
Well, were you coming anyway to check up on him, or were you coming
Yes.
to you were coming to check up on him? So they would get rid of the chicken soup excuse. No chicken soup for you. And I assume, Miss Smith, that when you went there to check up on him, you were going to check up on him to make sure that there were no other women there. I mean, you weren't going there to minister to him because you didn't bring him any chicken soup. So you were going over there to check on him to see what was going on because he blew you off that day. You got there, you saw his car there, he didn't answer the door according to you, and so you went home. Now, Mr. Payton, you say at that time she vandalized your car?
Yes, that evening. I take it.
Okay. And was your car vandalized on the 29th of August?
Yes.
Did you have a police report?
No police report, I didn't.
Why?
Well, because I just filed a small claims court against opposed to getting
Why?
the police involved. Because, I mean, I've known her 10 years, so I don't want to, I didn't want to have a criminal record of